Oh, phone call. Hello, this is Admiral Plymouth the Marcus Hunt speaking. How can I help you? What's that, Sergeant? What did my soldiers do? What? And the cops arrested him for no reason. What do they do? They took his gun. What? Which is the Colt 45? And they took his Thompson. They took all of his weapons. Oh! I need money, Sergeant. All of us in the army need money. Yes. What? He's in the police car? Oh. What, I can still talk to him? Alright, thanks, Sarge. Alright, thank you, bye. Where's my headset? Ah, here it is. Soldier? They just took away your weapons? Right. I want you to do something really funny, and I'm going to reward you $1 million for it. Okay? I want you... Well, when this copper closed the door, I want you to kick the police car. Alright? And I'll reward you $1 million for that. Okay? I'm going to watch you. Right. Yeah. Okay, bye. Well, I need to spectate him now.
Get over. Suggest you calm yourself down.
No, because you're locking me up. What? Get my stuff out the car. Sorry, you locked me up for top. So should they be allowed to be carried? You locked me up for top, isn't that allowed to be carried?
Can you calm yourself down and get
off us, you mug.
Stay calm.
Get off us then, and I'll stay calm. Otherwise I'm going to chill you. Simple.
Jump out, please. Mine, right, have you got anything in your pockets?
No, I've got money in my pockets, I think.
Apart from money? Mind your head as you get in.
If you go rough with me, I swear to God I'm going to chill you.
Or maybe not.
What?
What's your problem?
What's wrong? You're locking me. Well, what do you think the problem is?
Just sit yourself. Stop threatening me. Sit yourself down.
What you do? What are you going to do?
Oh! Why did they have to arrest my soldiers? Well, I am still going to give my soldier the reward. We're going to get him out of prison. Right. All my soldiers have got to do it, just like what my soldier did on there. Okay. Subscribe for more videos. Give this a like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.